Nhớ rằng the no của giọt hiền the mong thiên the an ký đồ nê. Rong xia ra gan tuân chí nê. Today I'm going to teach Hmong in English for you to listen and read. The first word is Gu Yo Hmong. Gu Yo Hmong mean I am Hmong. Second one, Gu Lu Gu Che Neng. Gu Lu Gu Che Neng. I love my family. The third one, Oa Chow. Oa Chow. Thank you. The fourth one, see you later. See you later. Xin Ji Dua. Xin Ji Dua. I hope you learn more and by listening and by repeating after me. Okay, I'm going to read again one more time. I am Hmong. Gu Ya Hmong. I love my family. Gu Lu Gu Che Neng. Wa Chao. Thank you. Xin Ji Dua. See you later. Thank you and share with your friends and learn more. I hope to see you again in the future. Goodbye. Xin Ji Dua. See you later.